The BJP have in fact time and again raked up the Uniform Civil Code, and Ram Mandir is still a leading poll plank. Well aware of the perception battle it is faced with, the Saffron Party is now attempting to play the minority card, which has also exposed the BJP's doublespeak.
Narendra Modi has been unveiled as the face of the BJP's 2014 campaign. And now the BJP has unveiled its other plan to deflect some of the criticism that will come its way. Planning to release a vision document for empowerment of minorities, naming a committee headed by Mukhtar Naqvi with focus on socio-economic and political empowerment.
इसलिए हम समाज के हर व्यक्ति और उस आखिरी व्यक्ति तक जो आखिरी व्यक्ति की विकास की रोशनी से कोसों दूर है, आखिरी पायदान पर खड़ा हुआ है डेवलपमेंट के, उस तक हम पहुंचेंगे. उसमें माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी सबसे ज़्यादा अफेक्टेड है.
With BJP's poster boy fighting the perception battle of being anti-secular, this move being interpreted as BJP's efforts at eating into the minority vote share, where the Congress enjoys a healthy advantage.
BJP has always been a party with a lot of hypocrisy, and I think it just proves that. And I don't think anybody is going to be fooled by all this activity that BJP is doing.
The BJP committee will interact with clerics and scholars working on minority issues before releasing the document next month. But not many are convinced about the BJP's latest moves.
पार्टी वेलफेयर के साथ गोधरा का भी जरा वेलफेयर साथ में घोषित कर दें तो शायद लगेगा कि हम सत्यता पर जा रहे हैं. और माइनॉरिटी को चाहे आप कुछ कर डालिए, माइनॉरिटी सब अंतिम कुर्बानी दे देगा लेकिन भाजपा को कभी वोट नहीं देगा. तो ये सब दिखावा राजनीतिक ढोंग है.
With Muslim electorate expected to play a crucial role in key battleground states like UP and Bihar, BJP's proposed vision document already facing the heat.
When other parties were doing the same thing, when we were talking about the welfare of the minorities, they would always blame us and the other so-called secular parties of appeasement.
Narendra Modi has already raised the issue of Uniform Civil Code and Article 370 in his Pathankot rally. And BJP's stand on Ram Mandir notwithstanding, other parties clearly taking pot shots at BJP's reach out to the minorities.
Questions are now being raised over Bharatiya Janata Party's Muslim welfare agenda versus the hardline take that the party has as far as Uniform Civil Code is concerned. An issue that was very recently raised by the Gujarat Chief Minister and the Election Campaign Committee Chief Narendra Modi. More importantly, will this inclusive agenda for the BJP work, or will it at the end of the day backfire? With Karan Prasan Manish, this is Tavleen Singh in New Delhi for Times Now.